Growing up, getting lucky. Seems that they need to work on their slogan a little bit for the international market, but thank you to Xiaomi for sending us this sample. Xiaomi just released a bunch of new ebook readers and e-notes, and today we're kicking this series off with the Xiaomi W8. And if you guessed it, yes, this is a 10-inch. Not a 10.3, not an 8-inch as the name suggests, a 10-inch. And it only has 200 PPI, but it has a 3200 milliamp battery and a WACOM pen. This is a great box. You know what this feels like? It kind of feels like a textured greeting card kind of paper. It's very nice. It's very sparkly. It definitely has some flake in it, some pearl flake in the mixture of the paint. I can't imagine that's great for the environment, but holy moly, this is a nice looking box, and this is tight. This is a very tight box, very thick cardstock. Wow, I think they went above and beyond on the packaging. This is some crazy stuff right now. You do have an inner kind of piece of foam to protect the 10-inch. I mean, guys, let's just say it. It's called the W8. Why on earth would you not go with an 8-inch? Why would you not just call it the W10? Unless they have a W10, which I can't actually remember right now because Xiaomi has a lot of devices, and their Moaan devices range from these kind of big boys all the way to the Mi readers and the Ink Palms as well, in which they have 3 of them. Let's open up this little case here, and this should have the information. Yep, this is the documentation and all that. Hold on to that. I don't know what kind of pen they're using. I'm very excited to see, but already looking at it, looks like an iFlyTek. I will see when we crack it open. This is a USB-C. That's well and good. And the pen. Oh, we have some secret things down here. This could be the... Whoa! What is going on here? Is this the little tip container? Wow! Everyone look at what's up on this. That is the removal tool. What you actually do is you would slide this into the pen, like so, and you would move it over to the right and it would pull that out. Yes, this is using WACOM. Those are WACOM tips. That is the felt composite with graphite installed, and this is actually... Yep, this is pretty similar to the iFlyTek pen. It is kind of this ovular, oblong shape with an eraser at the back. This one has incorporated a pen button on the side, and I will tell you, there is no other pen that looks exactly like this. Everyone, we have a new pen for the digital stationary game. Here it is, but it is mimicking the iFlyTek body, so just keep that in mind. It's not a negative thing, it's just that's the reality of it. We can pull these things out of our brain. We've been doing this so long. Alright guys, here it is. This is the W8. Let us crack this open nice and gentle, because we like to keep these beautiful for when we do giveaways or when we donate them to different places and whatnot. Whoa, look at that! This is a leather backing, everybody! This is an actual leather backing. The only other device that has ever incorporated leather would be the Huawei MatePad Paper and the iFlyTek AI Note Air, but this one is a leather backing built in right to the side bezel that wraps around to the front, and I believe the pen's going to snap here because we have a nice little flat zone. On the bottom we have prospectively microphones. I don't believe one would be an LED indicator and a hard reset. We have one speaker on the side. Is it opposing? No, it is not. Nothing on this side. USB-C on the bottom and a power button up top. I want to see if this snaps to the side. It does. Kind of weak, just seeing that wasn't a very rewarding snap. It didn't kind of grab it out of my hands like Doctor Strange, but it is, yeah, it's alright. It's actually, kind of feels like you'd need a case to have something at the back just to add another plane, because that's not gonna stay on there very long, I would imagine. Let's turn this on to show you guys the first time boot up before we get into a review in a future video. Just to show you guys as well, we grabbed the iFlyTek pen off camera. It is the exact same thing with the exact same markings on it and the button and everything else. It's just in a silver versus a white, so that's all well and good. It does seem, everyone, that it is in English, but only a little bit. If you do the top down, none of that is for some reason, although we have seen this change in future updates, so we will have to kind of wait to see how that all happens when we get into the full review. But just showing you guys, it definitely is running WACOM. I can say with 100% certainty, because we know for sure that the iFlyTek is running WACOM, and that is the exact same thing we're seeing here. So if I were to do a line with that or a line with that, it is going to be WACOM every step of the way. So everyone, Rest easy and know that Xiaomi has released a 10-inch ebook reader with note-taking capabilities, or referred to as an e-note. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand spankin' new W8 by Xiaomi. This is the Moaan sub-variant, and if you guys want to stick around for the full review, that would be much appreciated. Thanks for stopping by.